In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove folders from OneDrive Windows 11, 10, 5 minutes. First, sign into your Microsoft account, open your browser and go to your account page, then enter your credentials to log in. Once you're in, look for the app launcher, the grid of dots in the top left corner of the page. Click that and choose OneDrive from the list of apps to open your cloud files. Inside OneDrive, head to My Files. This is where all your folders and documents live. If you want to remove a single folder, hover over it and check the box that appears to the left of the folder name. With the folder selected, click the three dots labeled More Actions. From the menu, choose Delete. A confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm Delete to move the folder to the OneDrive recycle bin. If you need to remove multiple folders at once, it's just as simple. Click the checkbox next to each folder you want to delete. When multiple items are selected, you'll see a toolbar appear across the top of the page. Click Delete there and then confirm in the prompt that pops up. A few tips to keep everything safe and clear. Deleted items go to the OneDrive recycle bin first, so if you make a mistake, you can restore them from there within the retention period. Personal OneDrive accounts typically keep items for up to 30 days, while organizational accounts may have different retention policies set by your admin. If your goal is to free up storage, remember to empty the recycle bin after you've confirmed you no longer need those folders. Keep in mind that OneDrive syncs across devices. If you're using the OneDrive desktop app on Windows 11 or Windows 10, deleting a folder in the web interface will also remove it from your synced PCs and any other connected devices. If you only want to stop a folder from syncing without deleting it everywhere, adjust your sync settings separately rather than deleting the folder. Also note permissions. If a folder was shared with you and you don't own it, deleting it from your OneDrive removes it from your view but doesn't delete the owner's content. If you're the owner, deleting will remove it for everyone who has access. If you don't see the delete option, you may have view-only permissions. That's it. You've learned how to remove single or multiple folders from OneDrive quickly and safely. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to review your recycle bin to make sure everything is exactly how you want it.